It's a very cold start to the day. You can see the frost behind me. I was going fishing first thing. In fact, I loaded the car, made my way to a pool, but unfortunately it was frozen solid. I did think it probably was, but it's not that far in the car, especially living in the area that I do. Not much traffic, it's not exactly a city. So back home, come for a walk in the valley, and then I'm going fishing later, but on flowing water this time. That won't be frozen. Although visibility isn't great, you can see, especially with the binoculars, some of the hill ranges on the horizon, and a little bit closer as well. Clent Hills, no snow there. Cribbergarth, there's a little bit of snow on top of that. Malvern Hills are snow free, and then sweeping around you've got Titterston Clay, that's got a good sprinkling of the white stuff on it. My last blog post, which didn't have a video with it, by the way, was about a job offer that I've just received. But with this on my doorstep and the situation that I find myself in as far as age and everything else is concerned, do you really think that I want to be working full time again? I'll let you decide what the answer is. It's all there in the blog post.